Hello, and thanks again for joining me on Cooking with a Scientist. Today we have another recipe from the Carbohydrate Metabolism Cookbook. Here I have the recipe for the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. The first thing we start off with is our pyruvic acid that we previously produced from glycolysis. Through a process called decarboxylation, we will remove one of pyruvic acid's carbons, and we'll release it as CO2. Next, through oxidation, we will remove pyruvic acid's hydrogen and add it to an NAD+. Finally, we will add 1 tablespoon of coenzyme A to produce the final product, acetyl-CoA. Now we're going to turn on the oven, which can be thought of as the fluid mitochondrial matrix where all of this takes place, the Krebs cycle, and let it preheat. We will place the acetyl-CoA on the baking sheet, which can be thought of as oxaloacetic acid. This carries the acetyl-CoA through the Krebs cycle. Now, we will place it into the oven to bake. Ding, ding, ding. All right, it's done. And we have our products. We have 3 CO2s, a series of reduced coenzymes, 4 NADHs, and 1 FADH2, and 1 ATP. Note that to use all of your glycolysis batter, where you had 2 pyruvic acids, you would have to use this recipe twice, just double the recipe. Alright, thank you for joining me for the Krebs cycle. Next week I will be presenting the electron transport chain.